About 6 months ago, I hit one of my biggest trades ever, where I turned $1,300 into over $150,000 on one singular coin, and that coin is on screen right now. In terms of ROI percentage, this was one of my biggest wins ever, and in this video, I want to walk you through what it actually takes to hit wins like this, and how you can actually replicate success like this in today's current market, since the metas have drastically changed. And to replicate success like this doesn't mean you have to turn 1,000 into 100K in one singular trade. If you can do that over the course of a week or a month or even a year, you're still ahead of 99% of people when it comes to trading and making money in general. In order for you to reach your profit goals, whether that's $1,000 into 100K or even more or less than that, you first have to understand the current state of the market and where the money is flowing. At the time of recording this video, it's currently May 13th, 2025, and right now the majority of the money is flowing to this new launchpad called Launch a Coin app. And this app is actually a rebrand from their launch back in January, where it was called the Believe app. And since then, a lot of founders and creators have started making coins on this launchpad, and that's where a lot of the runners today have been spawning from. And if you've been trading for the last 2-3 months or even a year, you're probably noticing that money just rotates between launchpads, and money goes where it's treated best. And right now it's treated best on Launch a Coin app. So about a year ago, Radium was the only place where you could launch coins. Since then, Pump Fund has taken the throne for a vast majority of the time. I think Pump Fund is actually by far the biggest launchpad ever for meme coins. Over the last 2-3 weeks, we've also seen the rise of things like Let's Bonk and Boop.fun. These two launchpads only really lasted for about a week or two. Since then, as long as you've been rotating between what's hot at the current time, you're going to notice that right now Launch a Coin is by far the biggest, and that's where the opportunity to make money is right now. And in order for you to reach your financial goals, you have to understand where the money is flowing, and you have to understand the current state of the market at all times, because things move quickly. Right now, the attention is focused on Launch a Coin, but in the future, maybe in the next few days or even few weeks, we could be back to trading lots of coins on Radium or lots of coins on Pump Fund. And we do still have lots of runners being formed on Let's Bonk and Boop.fun, and this is why it's incredibly important for you to be positioned in understanding the markets, understanding the launch pads, and understanding where money is flowing. So now that we know that all of the money is funneling into Launch a Coin right now, probably for the next few days at least, let me show you how you're gonna be able to take advantage of that within Axiom Pro. So let me jump over to Axiom, and I'm gonna show you my settings right now to get to this screen right here, which is the Pulse tab. And if you don't know what Axiom is, I made a full dedicated video in my last video. I'm gonna leave a link for that down in the description. Get started on Axiom, use the link down below. It's gonna get you started on 2x rewards and 20% off fees. And when you click up here on top of Axiom, you can actually just click on feature updates. And this new update actually just launched today, where you can hover over new tweets from Launch a Coin deploys. And this makes it so much easier for you to not miss a single runner and potentially catch that next 100x really early. So let me show you how you can set this up right now. Right now, since all the attention is focused on Launch a Coin, I typically go into my filters. So right now I have it selected to only Launch a Coin. And right now Axiom is the only trading tool that allows you to filter it strictly by Launch a Coin. And since I mentioned earlier in the video under this tab right here, since the current state of the market, Launch a Coin is getting all of the attention, I only want to be filtered under Launch a Coin. As you can see under Axiom, I'm getting about a new deploy every 30 to 50 seconds. And this makes it so that I'm not getting cluttered by all of the other launches that are happening on Radium, Pump Fund, Let's Bonk, and all these other new launch terminals. Under new pairs, final stretch, and migrated, I only have Launch a Coin right now, since that's where all the money is going to. And when I actually zoom into my portfolio, you can actually see all the trades I've taken today have been Launch a Coin deploys, plus 2 SOL, 1 SOL, 2 SOL, 7 SOL, plus 6 SOL, 5 SOL, 2 SOL, 3 SOL. The list goes on and on. All of these are within just sitting on the Pulse tab, sorting by Launch a Coin, and hovering over tweets and waiting for someone notable to launch a coin. And when you scroll all the way to the right under migrated, I can actually scroll down and filter it by market cap. So $metrics market cap. Let's say if I do $900,000 market cap, you're gonna see there's tons of runners being spawned right now. So just yesterday we had a 14 mil runner. Before that we had a 9 mil runner. And just last night we had a 50 mil runner on Launch a Coin, few hours ago, 9 mil runner, 1 mil runner. There's tons of money to be made right now. And if you've been trading over the last few weeks, you're going to notice that right now is a lot hotter of a market than it was a few weeks ago. And this is exactly the time where you want to take advantage of volume and make a lot of money. Another thing you can do within Axiom is you can actually click down here on the Twitter tracker. I've already added launch a coin, but you can actually just copy this handle right here. It's just called launch coin. And when you copy this handle, you can actually embed it within your Axiom Pro Twitter monitor. So what I like to do is sometimes you can just have the Twitter monitor sitting on the left-hand side of the screen. And you're going to notice that all the tweets that are popping up on the left-hand side here are also popping up here. You can also just hover over the tweets and choose what you want to select. So maybe you want to remove the Twitter monitor. Maybe you just want to sit on the new pairs. I like to just sit on the new pairs like this. Using Axiom's new update, I can just hover over tweets. And if I see someone notable, it makes it a lot easier for me to know what's running and what's not. So this coin is $70,000 market cap. If I hover over it, I can see this person right here, click on their profile. If they typically have a lot of mutual followers, it's easy to see how it's going to keep going. So right now, Cooker is my mutual follower on this token. And you can see it looks like it's actually real tech. That's why it was actually 70K market cap when I checked on it. Not much engagement, but it looks decently real. And pretty much what I'm doing all day is just scanning new pairs on LaunchACoin and finding really good narratives early. So when I go back to my portfolio and the trades I made today, when you filter it by one day, I'm up around $4,000 today just by quick flipping new pairs on LaunchACoin. And when you sort it, you can see lots of 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 2 SOL P&L trades just by using this exact strategy. And while I'm sitting on this pulse tab, I've noticed that a lot of people have been redeploying and deleting tweets. And this has been causing lots of pump and dumps. So this is a really good example of that. As you can see, I bought in this coin down here. Let me actually turn on my trades. Bought into this coin right here and sold up here. But I noticed that this person has been deleting lots of tweets on LaunchACoin. So when you click on this tweet here, you can see, sorry, this post has been deleted. This page doesn't exist anymore. So a person like this who's taking advantage of their following count to pump and dump coins. Luckily, I still made profit on this one, but this is the kind of person you want to blacklist. So this person has been launching tons of coins. So I copied his username and I go back to the Pulse tab and I click this little toggle right here that says blacklist dev handle keywords. And I go all the way to the right under handle, enter their handle, click blacklist, click X handle. And as you can see, I already have them blacklisted, and you can go ahead and blacklist these people as well. But this person has been posting, deleting launcher coins, and a lot of them have been pumping and dumping. So it's better to just not see anything he posts. And now, since I've blacklisted him, he is not going to pop up under his deploys here. I'm not going to see any of his tweets, any of his deploys. And this is going to make scanning and finding the next 100x that much easier. Now that you fully understand Axiom, how to take advantage of their new updates, their really cool features and filters like this by sorting it by launch a coin, blacklisting people who are malicious to the crypto space and abusing their Twitter following, and just by understanding the state of the market in general, you're in a much better position to actually make profit trading meme coins, because 99% of people don't even understand the state of the market. They don't understand where launch pads come from. They don't understand where money flows to. And just by understanding that right now, all of the attention is on LaunchACoin and using the Axiom Pro filters and features to actually stare at the Pulse tab, wait for a new deploy, and find the next 100x, you're now in a much better position than the average trader who has no idea what they're doing and no idea where money is flowing. And another really valuable piece of information, I actually need to scroll down on my Twitter. I actually made a full Twitter thread on how I was actually able to have one of my best weeks trading meme coins. You clicked on this video because you want to turn 1,000 into over $100,000. And as you saw earlier, I did that on one of my best trades ever, but I've also done that multiple other ways, whether that's in one trade, 10 trades, or just understanding the markets in general and quick flipping my way to get there. But yeah, as you can see within this tweet, a couple takeaways I mentioned are that you have to put in the hours. You have to actually be committed to making this kind of money. You have to be able to sit on this Pulse tab, analyze what's coming in, what's popping out, what's a good coin to buy, what's not a good coin to buy. Luckily, I've made a lot of video guides on my channel to help you do that. It's also going to be a lot easier for you to hit 100K P&Ls by making friends and voice calling with other people every single day. This makes it so that information can easily flow in and out without you having to type to other people. And just by sitting in a call with lots of experienced traders, you can actually get information much quicker. And these last two smaller ones, learning sizing within your trades, knowing what's a good trade to put 1 SOL into, what's a good trade to put 10 SOL into, and what's a good trade to completely sit out of. Here you can see my fourth note. You don't need to overtrade to make money. Some people can make 100K with one trade, as you saw in mine earlier, but a lot of people, it takes them 10, 20, 100 trades to actually reach that level. And most people, they're not going to reach that level until they make at least 1,000 trades, because learning what's a good token to hold versus a good token to sell, good narratives versus bad narratives, it takes a lot of experience, lots of hours, lots of voice calls with friends, understanding that not overtrading is actually beneficial for you to preserving capital, and waiting for the next 100x to appear, because when it does appear, it's going to be so much easier for you to spot it when you put in these hours. Now, make sure to use the link down below to get started with Axiom. This is going to get you put on the 2x rewards, and it's going to knock off 20% off your trading fees. So you're going to be able to stack wins quicker and save more cash back on your trades. Also, if you're interested in joining the best trading group by far, I am incredibly active within Pastel Alpha. And if you use the link down below, you're going to be able to sign up for Pastel and get some savings. So make sure to use the link down below if you're interested in joining this group. Come join, say what's up. This is by far the best trading group for trading. I am very close with the owners. They have a voice chat running 24/7 where a lot of experienced traders are giving call outs, and their chat in general is just filled with a lot of knowledgeable traders, where it makes it a lot easier for you to get confluence on trades and just learn the market in general. So I hope you guys learned something new from this video. All the stuff I mentioned in this video is how I would get started with meme coins and how I would take 1,000 and flip it into over $100,000 profit. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and comment. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see when it comes to meme coins and trading. And I wish you guys the best of luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.